Hey everyone, it's Ashton answering the Module 2 small group discussion questions. The first one is, why do you think it's important to understand the natural biogeochemical cycles? I think it's important because, for one, we have never seen changes like this in the atmosphere before in the history of humans. So we don't have anything to look back on and compare it to, really, in the regards of exactly how the atmosphere is changing and how quickly. So it's really important to learn about all these different changes and all the effects and everything that we're doing that impacts the environment, and learn from it, and be able to move forward and make the changes that are necessary, because we are just kind of going out on a limb and figuring this all out day by day, and you can't figure it out without being educated on it. And it helps us understand exactly what is being affected and how phosphorus and nitrogen cause dead zones in water, and how fossil fuels warm the atmosphere and cause climate change. If we don't know what is doing the damage, then we can't prevent it in the future. And if we don't understand how that damage can travel from one thing to another, from one person to another, from one ecosystem to another, then we are never fully going to understand the extent or the severity of the situation. How might it help? How might this understanding prevent or decrease the degradation of our natural systems? One, education is key. Getting people to care about it. That's how, if you understand what's happening, you can understand what the impacts are exactly, and you can get people to care. You can get people to learn about it and to understand, because people don't change if they don't know what they're changing for. Also, understanding the cycles can help find point sources to pollution, figure out exactly what's causing what problem. We already know that nitrogen in fertilizers causes all kinds of problems. And so we would have never found that out if we didn't know the entire system and how things travel from one thing to another. So I really think that without the systems and without the knowledge of the systems, we wouldn't be anywhere where we are today in our progress and moving forward in kind of trying to backtrack on all the choices that we've made that haven't been great for the environment. So, that's what I think about the biogeochemical cycles.